In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a train vanity case and turn it into a boombox. Oh yeah. So start by drilling the holes for your speakers. This was the most tedious part of the whole project for me. Probably took me about an hour, but you know, just go slow, get the right stuff, use a saw cut hole drill bit, you know, do the right thing there. And then I also use base ports. So this is optional if you want, but I measured out and cut these base ports to go in the back, and then here I'm just drilling the holes in the back of the vanity case for the base ports. Now inside I have a wooden plate here that I use to mount all the control panels in. So measure it out, trace it out, and then you know, cut it with a jigsaw. You'll also want to cut out a hole for the control panel, as you see I did there. And then these are supports that I cut out to hold up that wooden panel that we just did. They go in like that, so there's 3 of them. And then now I was drilling in a little hole in the back to allow the power cord to come out like that, so you can close the lid and charge it at the same time. And now just installing the base ports, hot glue those in, and then I used Elmer's glue to glue in the supports for that top wooden piece there. Let that dry and clamp in. And now just assemble the electronic components. I used a kit from Parts Express. I'll have that link down in the description, but this thing was very easy to do. Just follow the instructions from Parts Express. It's batteries, comes with speakers, everything like that. So that's what I would recommend. I'm not an audiophile, but it worked great. So there's the control panel there with, you know, volume and everything there. And then just wire up your speakers and, you know, drill the holes, install those babies right in there. So we're getting done. Looking pretty good, as you can see it coming along. So let's test it out. Let's try it. Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog, Murphy, and these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats, and all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video, and this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. Alright, you did it? Okay, I believe you. You said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats. And all you have to do is click that subscribe button right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button, subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video, and I'll eat this treat. All right, you did that too? That's not very good. Bro, not very good.